If you're going to ask me what my current favorite Thai recipe is, it has to be this Thai basil chicken. 8 ingredients and it's ready in under 20 minutes. I mean, can it get better than this? No way. You're going to need a large wok for this, and if you don't have one of those, at least get a large frying pan because that surface area really helps cook this recipe fast. Now heat some oil in the wok and add garlic, Thai red chilies and some red onions or shallots and stir fry these for a few minutes. Once everything is really fragrant and the onions have become translucent, add some ground chicken and start breaking it up with your spoon. Cook the chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes till it has completely broken down and is a light golden brown. Then add some soya sauce, fish sauce and oyster sauce to the pan and mix everything up. Give it a few minutes for any water to evaporate and for the chicken to finally take on the flavor and color from all the sauces. And the final ingredient is a lot of basil. So ideally, the best basil to use in the recipe is either holy basil or Thai basil. But I actually had neither on hand. So I ended up using Italian basil, which also gives it a great flavor. Saute the basil with the chicken and then add some more because you can never have enough basil. This is Richa from My Food Story and I really hope you like this recipe. See you next time.